In this episode of our tutorial, I will show you how to connect CANVA to external apps like Google Drive or Facebook. With CANVA for Nonprofits, you have access to the huge library of photos, videos and audios. So you just click on the photos button and you can choose whatever you need. You can search for different kind of photography, images, illustrations. We're interested in technology, so let's check technology, photos. Even when I see the Pro, I can still use it because this is CANVA for Nonprofits and everything is for free. I can use this one, but I can also upload my own using also the button on the left called Upload. And as you can see, we have our own images here that we uploaded from our computers, but we can also connect our CANVA for Nonprofits with resources on Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram or Dropbox. I think I've already connected with our Google Drive. So here I have folders from Google Drive. I can go to photos and check and use it in my design. Yes, but I can also, it's deleted, use the resources from let's click upload again, from for example my Facebook. I can connect it sorry, it's in Polish, and I can use my 3 photos from my Facebook website here. So you don't need to upload everything into CANVA itself. You can use your archives of different resources here, which is much easier and much faster. If you liked this tutorial, follow TechSoup Europe channels for more educational content. We at TechSoup make activists and non-profits' job easier by providing access to technology, resources and community.